For the next case study, it's all about personal trainer incorporated as a name of the whole system. So for the first task, I need to create a data report that will display all personal trainer courses in alphabetical order with the course name and the instructor name in the group header. The social security number name, the telephone number of each current student in the data section, and the students count in a group footer. So when we say data report, it talks about one or more output lines in each process record. Each single line printed in data is an output. All fields in the record are not necessary to be not printed, nor need the records to be printed in sequence in which they appear. The data report can be lengthy. It means taas jakadyo as it may contain more than one line. So this is the created data report where we can see the purpose of this documentation or the purpose of this is the course report that has been put above everything, like it should be in the center or it should be in the header since it is the uh, purpose of this documentation. And then you can see the course name which is in the left corner if you're happen to see it in your screen, and the instructor name is in the right uh, corner. Under this is the SSN or the Social Security number. To those people who doesn't know what is SSN, SSN or the Security number is a number that the US government issues to all US citizens and eligible US residents who apply for one. The government uses this number to keep track of their lifetime earnings and the number of years works. So, murag money si Jai gigamit as in sa ID or mailhan ang usa ka member or usa ka student. Uh so much for that. So in the other field there is the name of the members or the name of the students. In the third field there is the telephone number. So since the system needs to have a student count, so as you can see, it is in the group footer. As si just kanang kinabsan. Since si Jama ay mo count og pila ang student ingan ang course. So for the next task, wherein I need to create a switchboard design with control buttons that lead to members, fitness instructors, activities and services schedules, and fitness class rosters. It will allow also the users to add, update, or delete records in each area. So this is the design, or this is the personal trainer info system. So that you can see all the buttons and like the buttons for the members, the buttons for the instructors, the activities and services, schedules, class, rosters, that ang color nila is green, and the logout makita ninyo is ang color niya is kanang orange. So so if you click each buttons, it will lead you to their designated area. So for example, mo click ag members, adto ka na dadon sa lain nga form para to suggest sa mga members. And of course, you can add, delete, update records sa kada area ingana. So this is the design for the personal trainer info system. So og ganan ka nga di ka diri nga ni nga form, pwede ka mo log out or moadto ka sa lain or sa main or sa home ni dya nga form. So for the next task, I need to suggest context-sensitive and specific help for the switchboard and lower-level menus and forms. So I need to prepare storyboards that show the proposed screens. Also, I should suggest at least 6 types of data validation rules for data entry screens. So this is the main help topics or the main help topics form. So wherein there are 5 buttons, 4 of it, which you can see this the green buttons, the 4 green buttons. That includes register members, friend schedules, help topic index, contact customer support. And there is also the fifth one, which is the close button na suggest kinaubsan. So para naana siya para ma-close nimo ang kana nga system ug di na ka mo kanang mogamit. So the other buttons nga naa sa babaw kanang the green kanang upat ka buok, if you happen to click each button, you will lead to another form, another area. For example, if you want to register a new member, you need to click first the register members button so that maka-add ka. Ini-click nimo ana, i-add to ka sa form for the registration. So ingan asad ang ingan ang button. Kung gusto kang mo-print kag schedules, mo-paste sa kaangani nga print schedule. So if in every button, if i-facility mo sa in every button, o gusto ka mo balik sa home or sa the main help topic, so naa na si Jai specific nga button imong pisiliton para mo balik ka there nga part and click na po kag different button. Then gusto ka mag-close, so na po si Jai close. So this is the storyboard. So that shows proposed screens. So to those who doesn't know what is a storyboard is a graphic organizer that plans a narrative report. It is a powerful way to visually present information. As you can see, the linear direction cells, it is the perfect way of storytelling, explaining the process and showing the passage of time. So on and so forth. So makita ninyo diri na ay makita ninyo nga user nasa dyan mga specific questions, then ang naay mo tubag dito ug unsa iyang specific nga ipangutana. So for example, what can I find a members area? So here you can find how to become a registered member or a personal trainer. So ang imong question is dapat tugma ra pod sa unsa nga system, di pod pwede patakara kay error po na siya. So naana si Jai dapat if specific nga questions nga mo haom sa system mo. So also I should suggest this 6 types of validation. So mo niyang ika suggest nga 6 types of validation. First is the data length. This rule validates the length of the specified field value against the length you specify. Then the second types of data validation is the data range. This rule validates the value of the specified data field against the range you specify. So the third one is the match from file. This rule validates the value of the specified field against a list of values that you supply in a delimited file known as the valid value list. So the next one is the pattern match. This rule validates the pattern of the specified field value against a regular expression. Then the fifth one, this rule or the range, this rule validates the value of the specified field against a numeric range. Then the last one or the sixth one, this rule rejects the specified field as a bad data and writes the record to the data file. So the purpose of these data validations is to check the accuracy and quality of source data before using, importing, or otherwise processing data. Data validation is a form of data cleansing. Why do we need this data validation? It's simply because when moving and merging data, it's important to make sure that data from different sources and repositories will conform to business rules and not become corrupted due to inconsistencies in type of context. Then for the fourth task, wherein I need to design a mail and source document that members can use to register for fitness classes. Also, design a web-based registration form. So this is the fitness registration form nga hong suggest nga design. Makita ninyo nga ang ijang header, fitness registration form, then naa sa dyan mga field or mga pwede nimo i-add dito ang kanang kinsay gustong mo add sa new member. For example, name, yung age, yung contact number, yung address, date, email, then kinsa ang instructor. And then, if you see this green button, submit, and click mo nga na, then ma-add na to si siya. So this is the design for the web-based registration